In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate through manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to optimize your website editing process. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to manage their Wix site with ease, even if you're just starting out. Let's begin our journey by heading over to wix.com. Once you're on the home page, spot the login button at the top right corner. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be welcomed by the main dashboard. This is your command center for managing all your sites. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is to click on Design Site. This option is located within your current dashboard settings and takes you directly into the editor environment. It's where all the magic happens and allows you to transform your vision into reality. As you find yourself within the Wix editor, it's crucial to become familiar with the various tools and options available to you. To begin shaping your website, you'll want to find the Pages dropdown. This dropdown is your gateway to modifying different sections of your site, including landing pages, product pages, and more. From here, navigate to the product page. Click on it, and you'll enter into editing mode for that specific segment of your website. This is where you can tweak product descriptions, adjust layouts, and update images to ensure that your offerings are presented in the best light. Next, go back to the Pages dropdown once again and explore the category page. Similar to the product page, this section allows you to cluster your products or services into categories. This not only helps in better organization, but also enhances the shopping experience for visitors. Once you're done editing the category page, make your way back to the Pages dropdown. It's time to shift your focus to the cart page. This is a critical part of the e-commerce experience and fine-tuning. This page ensures a smooth process for your customers as they finalize their purchases. With the cart page in check, the next step is to return to the Pages dropdown and click on the Thank You page. This is the final touch point for your customers post-purchase, where you can reinforce brand loyalty through a heartfelt thank you, or maybe even a discount code for future purchases. After all the necessary pages have been customized to your satisfaction, it's crucial to save your progress. You can find the Save button in the top menu. This ensures all your hard work is secure and applied to your live website. And there we have it. By following these steps, you've taken significant strides in managing and customizing your Wix website, ensuring it not only runs smoothly, but also looks great. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to keep exploring and personalizing your site to reflect your brand. Until next time, happy editing.